So the other day when I was out here doing the idler arm on the Chrysler, I broke my big vise. And this ain't much of a vise. I guess what I mean by that is it's never been much of a vise, but it's just been one that I've used, and I think it may actually be welded to the table. I can't even remember how that came to be. But it's broken now. I tried to fix it and was having trouble getting it all to line up and work. And I just said, heck with it. I've got a good big vise in here that has been out in the wood shop. And if I could get this one off the table, I could put this one over on the table and I could start using it instead. That'd be a lot better one for me. So I guess probably what I ought to do is focus on how the heck to get this thing off of here. I guess that'll be my next big challenge, and then we'll figure out how to get that new one on there. So, let's take a look, see. Probably ought to have a flashlight. So there's a piece up under it that looks like it's broke off there. See that right there? So if I can get that off, maybe that'll come off and go from there. Hey baby, what you working on today?
I'm finishing priming the cabinet. Need to go back up.
Wow, that's awesome, good work. You've been doing amazing things out there. You're pretty amazing. You're an amazing woman. Yeah, yeah. We've actually got a hole right here where that other one was mounted at. So I can put a bolt in that and then swing this one around to the edge and put one there and one there. I need to make a couple of holes and find me some bolts. I got all of that. I got bolts and hole makers. Yes, I do. We'll just go back here to the bolt. I'm talking to the tubers. They talk back, but they usually write when they talk back because they respond in their messages to me. Bless their hearts. They're so good about that. Yeah. So, I got me some voltage here. Oh. Boy, there's a story behind that, and I know the story. And I might be able to remember it if I tried. Y'all know how that is. Some of y'all got a memory like that. Oh, there's a nice big-ish bolt. I wonder if something that big would be about the right size, but that's a good sturdy bolt right there. I bet that's a class. What do they call them good bolts? Grade 8, 8th grade, grade 8. Look at that. Fits right down in there, and we got enough room on the other end to bolt it to something. So let's go see if we can find a nut to fit it. You hear me yammering away at them here. Now you can't hear me. Oh, that's okay. I'll see how that is. Oh boy. That might be strong enough. I'm talking to the tubers. one bolt in there might be enough. This metal table is actually part of an old table desk thing that I cut apart and set it up for my kind of welding, cutting, grinding area. And it's only got, I think, 2.5 legs, and it's bolted to the wall, and the whole table moves. It's not that firmly bolted to the wall. So my thinking is maybe I could put more bolts into this, but I don't know, it is a little wobbly back there. Maybe I'll shoot a hole back there and put one more bolt in. So we get to drill a while. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. Yeah, baby. Get that drill out. Play with that. Mercy. Thanks. All the fire. By the way, I heard a fabulous sermon this morning, Terry Noble in church. Basically addressed all the problems of the world and their solution. Now, I don't know how many of y'all are paying attention to what, but he basically gave us the answer right there. So if you want to know how to stop complaining about the world and actually find a way to fix it, Terry Noble supplied the information we need to do that. So if y'all want to go listen to him, it's today's Sunday. What is the date today? You got any idea? Today's the 30th, so if you go find his sermon on the 30th of August, yes, week 4 of fake news. He's calling it fake news. Y'all go look that up, and if you're looking for the answers to the problems and the way to fix it, it's right there. It's laid out as clear as day. All you gotta do is listen to it. And if you choose not to, and you choose instead just to grumble about it and complain and be mad, that's on you. Because I done told you the answer. It's just up to you if you want to follow up. Right, honey babe? Right, honey babe? I thought she'd cut me off there for a while. I took that one back to the drill bit sharpener. It didn't seem like it was very sharp. Worked that time. That bit is just really cracky. It could be the bit. Try another one. This one's bigger, but it might be sharp enough to go through. Let's see. Well, that went through it. You got 2 pieces of metal here. I didn't realize that. There's like a something. That's good. Like a second layer under that metal. A screw there might just do it if I put a washer on it and shot it right in there. Might be enough. Let's try it. I was tempted to go that route. Change my mind. See how this goes. Success! Now all I need to do is find a washer and a nut for that. And we'll be on our way. Alrighty then. That job I think is completed. Now let's get to the next one.